Ants, shush. They've definitely been moving around their space much more confidently today. Scampering about and going outside, going inside. All of that. And playing a lot more energetically. Oh. One itch. Oh, sorry, Auntie. What are they doing, Quin? Hey, what are they doing? Oh, that's so adorable. 4 weeks old today. Yeah. It's pretty good, isn't it? Oh, yeah. And they've got a new skill. Ankle biting. Standing in the run this morning at 6:30 and they were chewing my ankles with their sharp teeth. That was not very good. But hey, that's what puppies do. So yeah, then they've been awake so much more today. This is really nice.